Welcome everyone. In this wireframing tutorial, we're going to design a complete mobile healthcare app using MockFlow WireframePro. To get started, add the mobile frame. Then, from the iOS 26 UI kit, insert the status bar, customize the background of the mobile frame, and add an image placeholder for the onboarding screen visual. Follow this by adding the welcoming text and a short description. Next, place the CTA button and customize its text and color. Once your onboarding screen is ready, we'll move on to creating the home screen. For the home screen, duplicate the onboarding screen and tweak it. Begin by adding the bottom navigation bar we previously created, then customize its icons using the MockFlow icon library. Update the welcoming text with a greeting and the user's name. Add a circle component and place the notification icon inside it. Next, add a search bar from the common UI kit. Below it, create the upcoming appointment section, include a title and a See All link. Add a rectangular card and customize it. Inside the card, insert an image placeholder, the doctor's name, specialization, and a circle containing a camera icon to indicate video call. Add a divider line and reuse the same circle to switch the camera icon to a calendar icon, then add the day and date. Reuse it once more for the time section. Finally, add two buttons within the card, one for rescheduling the call and one for viewing the doctor's profile. Next, move to the popular section. Reuse the previous title component and customize it, then add a navigation bar component and style it. Start adding rectangular cards, include the image placeholder, doctor's name, specialization, and a heart icon for saving favorites. Add a CTA button customized as Book Now. Duplicate this card to create additional entries and customize the names and specializations. Now, let's create the doctor details screen. Add a circle with a back icon, followed by the screen title. Reuse the circle and replace it with the share icon. Below that, add a button component, include the doctor's name with their specialization, followed by the pricing text and an image placeholder. Add a large rectangular background and begin placing small rectangles for the doctor's achievements. Customize one, then duplicate it to create the other achievement badges. Next, create the Choose Date section. Add rectangular cards for each day, include the day and date, then duplicate and customize them for the full week. Similarly, add the Choose Time section with cards showing available timings, and reuse them as needed. Add a final CTA button labeled Get Started. At this stage, your mobile wireframe is fully structured. Make any minor adjustments needed, then start inserting images into the placeholders by clicking each component. Once the images are added, your mobile healthcare app wireframe is ready to be reviewed and shared. And with MockFlow, collaboration with your team becomes seamless and effortless. Easily create mobile app wireframes with MockFlow WireframePro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MockFlow wireframing tutorials.